Hey everybody, it's Dottie. This is Young Living Essential Oils 101 class, part 2. We're going to finish the oils, the last 6, okay? So, the first oil of the 6 is called Thieves. It would be in your dram bottle number 6. Can you see that? Okay. And it is in this bottle. And it is also in a Vitality white label. Okay, so you can ingest it. It's great in hot tea. It's great in cold water, iced tea. Sorry. All right, so number 1, it supports the immune system. Add 1 drop to hot tea or with a spoon of honey. Number 2, supports healthy respiration. This is great during the winter months, but it's great all year round. My daughter, for example, has a roller bottle that she makes. It is a hot oil, so you do need to use your fractionated coconut oil as a carrier oil to dilute it. And again, it is 1 drop of essential oil to 1 teaspoon of carrier oil, or in a 10 ml roller bottle, it's 1 drop of oil per. So in a 10 ml, it's 1 drop of oil per ml. So 10 drops. But I always put like 12 to 15 because I like mine strong. But anyway, she always has a roller bottle and she rolls it on the bottom of her kids' feet before they go to play dates or say out to a fast food restaurant, you know, playground, anywhere they're going to be around other children, okay? Ditch air fresheners filled with chemicals and create a chemical-free air freshener. Now you can do this with the Thieves essential oil, but you can also do it with the Thieves cleaner. I think I've referenced that earlier, and I'm not going to really get into that in this class. I might do a separate video on that, and it would be really like a 2 or 3 minute video. It's so straightforward. But if you get the Thieves cleaner concentrate, it's 1 capful of the concentrate to a 16-ounce glass spray bottle. So 1 capful, fill the rest with water, shake it up, it cleans. It'll clean your bathroom, clean your floors, clean glass. And also if you want an air freshener, this works as an air freshener. Okay, so I don't want to get off the trail here. Thieves household cleaners and other Thieves products I just referenced. There are so many, and you can go online to youngliving.com and look at them. And in fact, just let me mention at this juncture that there is more than 1 premium starter kit. So there is the oils, which is like the basic that most people start with, the essential oils, but there is also a Thieves Cleaner premium starter kit. I can talk about that later and tell you what's in it, what you get, but it also makes you eligible for the 24% off wholesale membership, all right? So just keep that in mind. It contains cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus, rosemary, and lemon. And when I first heard of Thieves, I was like, Thieves? Why would anyone name an essential oil or anything Thieves? Well, there's a myth, and you can, again, this is something you can look up, but there's a myth of 4 French thieves during medieval times. And if you Google that, the story will pop up, okay? And it's a short story, but go ahead and look it up if you want to. But it was named after them. Number 7. Number 7 is Citrus Fresh. Now, what you're looking at right now is Citrus Fresh in a 15 ml bottle, because that's all I've got right now. It's going to come in a 5 ml bottle. This is a significantly larger bottle. This is not the size you'll get in your kit. You'll get all 5 mils, just to be, you know, clear. But anyway, this is your Citrus Fresh. And what I want to say about Citrus Fresh, it is one of the most heavenly smelling essential oils in the kit. It's wonderful. You'll love it. It's just, I can't say enough good things about how it smells. And it's a it's a blend of different citruses. So it's lemon, orange, I think grapefruit, maybe bergamot, I'm not sure. You could look that up on their website, what's actually in it. You can look up any oil on their website, any blend, and beneath that description is going to be exactly what oils are in that blend. All right, so it supports the immune system, superb air freshener. One of the most toxic items in the American household are dryer sheets. They are extremely toxic. Anytime you have anything that is artificial fragrance, you can count on it that it has toxins in it, that it's not safe to really breathe or get on your skin. And that's just not something that's told to the American public. But there is a documentary on Netflix, and it's called The Human Experiment. I highly recommend that if you have Netflix, watch that. Watch that documentary. It's a real eye-opener. So what can you do? You don't want staticky clothes, and you want to put, nice smelling fragrance in there that's not harmful. You can go to Walmart, Costco, anywhere you want to go, any basic store, and buy wool dryer balls. And then you can take an oil that you like the smell of. It could be citrus fresh, but if you like the smell of frankincense, you could use that. You could use thieves. You could use lemon. There's lemongrass, which is also wonderful. There's another oil that is not in this kit, used to be, but no longer. It's called Purification. Purification was, they switched it out for Citrus Fresh. They're both wonderful. But you can put this on the dryer balls, about 3 wool dryer balls per load of clothes, and put, say, about 5 or 6 drops of oil on each wool ball. And it'll take the static out, helps to take out the wrinkles, and it gives it a light, fresh scent without all the chemicals and yuck. It eases anxiety and irritability and boosts energy. Right, next is Raven. All right, this is your Raven. Again, I'm showing you a 15 ml bottle. You're going to be getting a 5 ml bottle in the premium starter kit if you choose to purchase one. Raven, number 1, it supports healthy respiration. It promotes muscle and nerve relaxation. It supports healthy digestion and metabolism, supports the circulatory system, supports healthy urinary function, and supports emotional balance. So once again, these oils multitask. They do more than one thing. So it's awesome. Digize. All right. Digize is one of those oils that doesn't smell so good. It doesn't outright stink, but it's like when you smell all the rest of the oils and you're like, they smell so good, and then you smell Digize and people are like, but its number 1 primary claim to fame is digestive support. So if you know you're going to go and eat a heavy meal, you might want to put 2 or 3 drops of Digize on your tummy before going or before and after. It promotes gastrointestinal comfort. It amplifies healthy kidney function. It supports urinary tract health, supports immune system, and it contains, it's a blend, okay? This is your Digize, and it is in bottle number 9. It contains tarragon, ginger, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli. And I'm told it's the fennel, that smell of fennel that people don't really like, but it really helps your tummy, okay? It supports gastrointestinal comfort, healthy digestion, okay? Next is Panaway. Panaway is a rock star. It is like my secret weapon oil. I love this oil, and if I give anyone a gift of oil, like a roller that I make, the first one I always give them is a Panaway Copaiba roller. I combine those two for obvious reasons. There are things I can't say due to FDA regulations regarding Panaway, but you can look it up. You can look up, it contains 3 different kinds of wintergreen oil, and I think one other oil, maybe peppermint. But if you look up health benefits of wintergreen and peppermint, it'll give you a better idea of what Panaway does for you. But this oil is a rock star. It's powerful. And it smells wonderful. It smells like a wintergreen lifesaver. It's got a great smell. So what I do is in my little 10 ml roller bottle, I put 10 to 15 drops of Panaway. I put 10 to 15 drops of Copaiba. I fill the rest with my carrier oil, my fractionated coconut oil. Pop in the roller bottle, give it a shake, put the cap on, take the cap off, roll it on, and it's great, all right? So that's the recipe. And the last oil is called Stress Away, and it basically does what its name says. And what it contains, it's a blend. What it contains is lime, lavender, cedarwood. Cedarwood's another rock star, but it does not come in the kit. But it is a very reasonably priced oil. So, Copaiba, vanilla, and acacia. So again, lime, lavender, cedarwood, Copaiba, vanilla, and acacia. Relieves stress, supports emotional health balance, boosts energy, natural chemical-free perfume. A lot of the ladies use this as their perfume. Remember, artificial fragrances that we buy in the stores and have been buying and didn't know that they were toxic are toxic, okay? So this smells, people smell this and they just about melt when they first smell it. It smells like, I don't know, some kind of tropical, wonderful perfume. And basically here is the little roller ball or roller filament that you will also get in the kit, and you just pop it in and roll it on, and you smell wonderful, and it helps to calm you down. So, soothes anxiety, wonderful chemical-free air freshener. There are different ways to combine these oils to make air fresheners. I'm loving this. I really am. I know it's a solicitor. Air fresheners and rollers, and there's different recipes. I don't have time to go into all of them, but in my next 15-minute video or whatever, I'm going to show you a couple of them, okay? I promise. And I can post some on my Facebook page, and I can give you that information, all right? So I just want to, we finished all 11 oils, so thank you for hanging in there with me. I hope you took notes and wrote down any questions you have, and you can, if you know me personally, you can ask me personally, or you can leave comments down below or questions down below, and I promise I'll answer you, okay? Thank you for hanging with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot. See you in the next 15-minute video. Bye.